Have you ever felt like your business is missing out on retaining valuable customers? In this blog, we explore the art of analyzing customer data to enhance retention rates. First one is identify key customer segments. Second is analyze retention rates. Third is understand reasons for churn. Fourth is develop retention strategies. Fifth is test and monitor results. Can you imagine your brand becoming a customer magnet with the right data insights? Let's discuss. First is identify key customer segments. Start by segmenting your customer base into distinct groups based on certain characteristics such as age, gender, location, or purchase history. This will help you to identify key customer segments and target them with relevant retention strategies. Second is analyze retention rates. Next, analyzes the current retention rates of each segment in order to identify which ones are performing better than others and where improvement is needed. You can use a variety of metrics such as average time between purchases or churn rate for each group in order to understand how well they have been retained over time. Third is understand reasons for churn. Once you have identified areas that need improvement, it's important to dig deeper into why customers might be leaving so quickly from specific segments or products. Ask yourself questions like what factors could be causing the high churn rate? And are there any commonalities among these customers that we can address? By understanding the root cause of churn, you can ensure that your efforts are focused on solving the right problems rather than just treating symptoms without finding a true solution. Fourth is develop retention strategies. After analyzing data and understanding reasons behind poor retention rates, develop effective strategies tailored specifically towards different customer segments in order to improve loyalty and reduce attrition levels over time. This may include things like providing incentives or rewards programs for loyal customers, offering discounts or future purchases, improving customer service experiences, creating personalized touchpoints throughout their journey, etc. Fifth is test and monitor results. Lastly, test out different tactics across various channels, email campaigns, social media ads, and monitor their success closely by tracking engagement metrics such as open click-through rates or conversion numbers regularly over time. These insights will allow you to continuously refine your approach until desired results are achieved.